is Moiz Khan and today my topic is thank you Quaid-e-Azam. Dear audience, our blessed country Pakistan was not presented as a gift to us. Thousands of our forefathers shed their blood and sacrificed their lives for Pakistan, and indeed it was the great leadership of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah which made it possible to get our separate homeland for us. We as a nation are proud to have such a brave leader. Thank you Quaid-e-Azam to stand with us. Thank you Quaid-e-Azam for the knowledge you had, the decision you made, and thank you to unite all Muslims together as a nation. In the last, I will pray for the prosperity of Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad!
आप आजाद हैं, आजाद रहें। आप लोग इस मुल्क पाकिस्तान में अपनी अपनी इबादतगाहों, मस्जिदों या मंदिरों में जाने के लिए